Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, let's check your knowledge of the prophets, which are mentioned in the Quran. You will have 5 seconds to answer each question. Keep noting down your scores and sharing comments at the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. Question 1. Who was the first prophet? Question 2. Which prophet built the ark? Question 3. Which prophet was thrown into fire? Question 4. Which prophet spoke as a baby? Question 5. Who was swallowed by the whale? Question 6. Who was tested with the sacrifice of his son? Question 7. Which prophet received the Zabur, divine book? Question 8. Who interpreted dreams? Question 9. Who was raised alive into the heavens? Question 10. Who split the sea by Allah's command? Question 11. Which prophet received the Torah, divine book? Question 12. Who was the last prophet? Question 13. How many prophets are mentioned by name in the Quran? Question 14. Who lived for 950 years? Question 15. Which prophet had the miracle of speaking to animals? Question 16. Who was known for his patience? Question 17. Which prophet received Injil, divine book? Question 18. Which prophet was known as Friend of Allah? Question 19. Which prophet was also a king? Question 20. Who built the Kaaba? That was it. How many questions could you answer correctly? Mention in comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can watch the next video to brush up your knowledge.